So today we're engaged in a showcase of research in the College of Science and Math. We're here to celebrate and hear about the good work that our undergrads and graduate students have been doing for the last couple of years as we've navigated this pandemic. We've tried to keep things going in the research realm. And so today is the day to see about that, show everybody what we've been doing for the last couple of years.
Research has a lot of up and downs, of course. You learn things from your failures and you learn things from your successes. I looked at magnetic field compressions due to any effects that the sun or the interstellar medium can present to our planet.
Impairment is seen. There's this breakdown product of glucose called methylglyoxal, and methylglyoxal induces changes in a part of the neuron called the axon initial segment. And the axon initial segment is responsible for how much or how little a neuron is firing. And so we're trying to figure out what the mechanism is that is leading to the changes in the axon initial segment from methylglyoxal. And that can be related back to the type 2 diabetes cognitive impairment.
It's very exciting. Every year I come here and I'm genuinely excited. It kind of makes me feel good.
The first poster that I'm going to be presenting, it is featuring African American scientists who are pioneers.
For the students who actually are doing the research, this provides an opportunity to gain skills in presenting and communicating that work to the world. You know, if you do the work and you never either publish it or tell anybody about it, nobody knows. It's a way to get that word out there.